All right, I got another food review. This place is called Fried or Die Chicken. It's in Atlantic City. It is at the bottom of the slip. And this thing right here is it's a all-day breakfast sandwich. It has egg, cheese, fried chicken strips. So it's supposed to have bacon on it, but I don't see the bacon. And I already bit into it. It's pretty good. But it's a nice, healthy size sandwich. The chicken is fried really good. The seasoning on the strip is really good. This right here is 6 wings. I bit into one already. They're barbecue. It's supposed to be barbecue on the side, but well, that's all right. They mixed it. The chicken is nice and crispy. Nice and tender on the inside. The barbecue sauce is perfect. Anyway, that's a food review on Fried or Die Chicken in Atlantic City. 6 barbecue wings and a chicken with egg and cheese breakfast sandwich.